Let me show you how we can open up PDF file in PowerPoint. We need to convert that file into a proper PowerPoint presentation. As it is right now, we cannot do it directly in PowerPoint, so we need to use some kind of third-party website. If you search for it, you will see several different websites. The one I choose for today's video, it's called Small PDF. Now we can simply drag and drop the PDF file in this area. So here it is. I drag and drop this one. Seems like my file is too large. If you got file more than 15 megabytes, you will need to upgrade to a pro version. So that's the downside. If you got rather smaller file without images or videos, you will be good to go. So let's try again with the smaller file. So this time I will drag a regular PDF that is smaller than 15 megabytes. As you can see, it's uploading just fine. The program is converting for me right now. Now I can choose an option here. In my case, I don't have any scans in my PowerPoint, so I don't need to convert them into text. I don't want that, so I just continue with the regular one. And now we are ready to download the file. It will be in your downloads folder, the very same folder you can find all of your stuff that you usually download from the internet. And here it is. That was the very same PDF. So let's open up the PDF as well and compare. So I got some image here. I got text that is still editable in the correct font. I got my slide one with a gradient. So that's become a picture here. Not a text because there was artistic effects on it. And this empty slide with the correct black gradient backdrop. Alright, so let's look at the original PDF as well. So that was the original PDF, blank slide, text slide, image slide. Seems like we got nice conversion, except that this text at the top turned into image because of those gradient effects on it. Alright, so that's how you can convert your PDF into a PowerPoint slideshow using the third-party converters. I just showed you one website. There are several. After you type this in Google, you can use the one I got. That's smallpdf.com. That one is good for the smaller files up to 15 megabytes. That's completely free for smaller files, and for larger one, they want you to log in and buy some kind of premium stuff. Alright, thank you for today, and I will see you in the next PowerPoint tutorial.